Hello and welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to open a file from Google Drive, step by step. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Step 1. First, open any web browser and then go to the Google Apps menu, which looks like a grid of 9 dots, and click on Drive. Step 2. In Google Drive, right-click on the file you want to open. Step 3. Place your cursor over the Open With option. Step 4. Choose an app to open the file, or double-click on any file to open it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.